Model, 65 plate Nissan Navara Outlaw 2.3 Dci Automatic non-runner needs repair. Great spec, no vat. Body, silver 4x4. Mileage, 153178. Engine, 2993 cc V9X E5. Transmission, automatic. Mechanical summary: engine is turning over but will not fire on easy start and hardly any compression coming through intake. Suspect engine is low on compression. Engine needs repairing or replacing. Automatic gearbox was perfect prior to engine issue. Definitely worth repairing. Could be as simple as a timing issue. Not sure. Thinking face grin. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life